Yoga has been practiced for centuries to connect the mind, body, and spirit. While many yoga poses require strength and balance, plenty of resting yoga positions can help you relax and rejuvenate. This blog will explore some of the best resting yoga positions and their benefits. Child's pose. Child's pose is a gentle resting pose that can help calm the mind and relieve stress. It stretches the hips, thighs, and ankles and can help alleviate back and neck pain. To get into child's pose, start on your hands and knees with your knees hip width apart. Lower your hips back towards your heels and reach your arms out in front of you. Rest your forehead on the mat and breathe deeply for several minutes. Corpse pose. Corpse pose, also known as Savasana, is a classic resting pose often used at the end of a yoga practice. It is a meditative pose that helps relax the body and quiet the mind. To get into corpse pose, lie on your back with your arms and legs extended. Allow your feet to fall to the sides and turn your palms towards the ceiling. Close your eyes and focus on your breath for several minutes. Legs up the wall. Legs up the wall is a restorative pose that can help reduce swelling in the legs and feet and improve circulation. It also helps calm the nervous system and promote relaxation. To get into the legs up the wall pose, sit with your left hip against a wall and swing your legs up so your feet are resting against the wall. Scoot your hips as close to the wall as comfortable and relax your arms by your sides. Stay in this pose for several minutes, focusing on your breath. Supported bridge pose. Supported bridge pose is a gentle inversion that can help relieve tension in the lower back and hips. It also helps calm the mind and reduce stress. To get into the supported bridge pose, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet on the floor. Place a yoga block or bolster under your hips and extend your arms to the sides. Breathe deeply and hold for several minutes. Reclining bound angle pose. Reclining bound angle pose, also known as Supta Baddha Konasana, is a restorative pose that can help open up the hips and pelvis. It also helps relieve tension in the lower back and groin. To get into a reclining bound angle pose, lie on your back with the soles of your feet together and your knees falling to the sides. Place a bolster or folded blanket under your knees for support. Rest your arms by your sides and breathe deeply for several minutes. These are just a few resting yoga positions that can help you relax and rejuvenate. Remember, listening to your body and only practicing poses that feel comfortable and safe for you is essential. In conclusion, practicing yoga is a great way to relax and restore the body and mind, especially when it comes to resting yoga positions. These 3 resting yoga positions, child's pose, corpse pose, and legs up the wall pose, are excellent choices for anyone who wants to de-stress, improve circulation, and promote overall well-being. Remember to listen to your body and not push yourself too hard in any pose, and if you have any medical conditions, be sure to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new yoga practice. By incorporating these resting yoga positions into your daily routine, you can reap the physical, mental, and emotional benefits that yoga has to offer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to learn more. Go to spiritualserenade89.com. Have an amazing day.